Ladies and gentlemen, bakbakan sa Ilorde supporting main event of the evening. Presented to you by Ilorde International Productions, promoter Gabriel Bebot Ilorde Jr. Sponsored by New Ilorde Cockpit Arena, Mr. Gerald Garcia, Mr. Raymond Burgos at Abidu. Ladies and gentlemen, this bout is scheduled for 6 rounds in the light flyweight division. Judges are Donald Brillius, and when the bell rings, your referee in charge of the action, Virgilio Garcia. Finding out the blue corner, tonight wearing black with white trim and weighing 109 pounds with a professional records of 2 wins, 2 losses, and 1 bout even. From El Olivetti Mizuno Boxing Gym of Binyan City, ladies and gentlemen, Angelo Reyes. His opponent across the ring, finding out the red corner, wearing black with white, weighing 107 pounds with a professional record of 2 wins, 2 by knockout, no defeat. From Ilorde Gym, St. Rita, Paranaque City, ladies and gentlemen, Anthony Galan.
Here we go, partner. Anthony Galan of Ilorde Boxing Gym Santa Rita versus Angelo Reyes of Dino Olivetti Boxing Gym. Partner, ikaw naman ang magpakilala sa ating referee ngayon. Alam ko,
alamat yan eh, alamat.
Oo, you have very good words para sa ating referee ngayon eh.
Bata pa ako, pinanonood ko na yan sa TV eh.
Introduce mo naman.
Virgilio Garcia.
Yes.
Akala mo makakalimut ako.
Ay, hindi. Walang makakalimot kay Sir Virgilio Garcia.
An international referee and judge.
Galan was able to land that straight to the body of Angelo Reyes. Pero sabi mo nga, pag Dino Olivetti, matibay, agresibo.
Expect exciting fight. Ayan ang garantisado when a boxer is coming up from Ilorde, should I say, the Olivetti Boxing Gym in Laguna.
Nalito ka na, partner. Kasi ang Olivetti parati ring lumalaban dito sa Ilorde. Yeah. At gusto kong batiin, may mga nagpapa-shoutout na mga taga-Binyan. Partner, may nagpapa-shoutout din sa'yo. Si Sir Arnold Machete, hindi mo naman
kamusta? Pasensya na kayo, medyo G-Peters tayo ngayon, wala tayong data.
Isa lang sa atin ang pwedeng magka-data.
Pero sabi nga nila, dadaloy rin ang ginhawa.
Of course. Galan is making this an outside fight. No, he doesn't want it to be a close fight. He's keeping his distance, partner.
I'm sure pinag-alalan din ng kampo ni Galan si Angelo Reyes. Kasi kung hindi, papasukin na niya dapat yan. Pero knowing na brawler yung Angelo Reyes at ayaw niya rin sumabay. So,
tama ka dyan, partner. No? He's trying to outbox Angelo Reyes. But of course, si Angelo Reyes is at the front foot. He's trying to close the distance. Alam naman natin, pag Olivetti, parating umaabante yan. No? Nakita natin, nag-feint siya doon to elicit a reaction from Galan.
Parang si Angelo Reyes reminds me of a very young Lito Dante.
Yes. So,
kasi nung
yung hindi pa. Oo.
Kasi nung later on yung Lito Dante naging
naging boxer.
Yeah.
Yun talaga siya.
Pero yung early stage niya parang ganyan.
Oh, Angelo Reyes was able to connect those punches, ano?
Pero tingin ko mas magandang lalaki konti si dito, Dante.
Ay, sabi mo yan. Inaanak mo yun eh.
Kamusta na sa Amerika siya ngayon?
Oh, there you have it. For itong particular moment na to is good for Angelo Reyes. He was able to land
Yes.
significant shots against Anthony Galan. Yung first part, Galan was winning the hit and run game, ano?
Pero he got caught with several good punches from Angelo Reyes also. So it's pretty much even Steven in our eyes doon sa round number 1.
Partner, batiin natin ang ating mga kaibigan, Sir Eds Bao, isang super fan ng boxing, napakadaming knowledge nito about boxing.
Yes.
And ito, paborito mo to, inaanak mo to, si Ronald Acero Alapormina, na idol daw tayo. Mas idol natin siya eh.
Alam mo, kung bakit ko gusto yung ganyan mga fighters katulad ni Ronald Alapormina. Binibigay
Exciting.
nila lahat.
Yes.
Pag tumungtong sa ring, he will give everything that he got.
Yes.
Alam mo, most of his losses, decision.
Tama.
He always bring the fight to his opponent. Yan ang gusto ko sa mga fighter similar to Ronald Alapormina.
You are absolutely right. We are here, round 2. Angelo Reyes versus Anthony Galan. Kumbaga, throwing caution to the wind. Talagang walang second guessing. They give their heart and soul to the fight. Like what we're watching right now. Sabi nga ni Sir sabi ni Sir Eds Bao pala, magagaling daw itong mga boxer na ito. Parang veterano na ang galawan, ano? Siguro in the sense because they're able to play with their advantages, ano?
Dapat laruin lang talaga ni Galan yung reach advantage niya.
Tama.
Huwag siyang magpapaipit kay Angelo Reyes.
There you have
Pag
it.
nangyari yan, he will be in trouble.
Tama. Because that's what Angelo Reyes wants, a close distance fight where he can let go of his hands. Uppercut and hooks from Angelo Reyes.
Yung pangalan nila pareho, partner.
Medyo nalilito nga ako.
Tsaka, yung pang-artistahin. Angelo Reyes.
Anthony
saka
Galan.
Anthony Galan. Kala mo action star.
Snappy ang dating.
Bagong referee mo, Virgilio Garcia.
Of course.
Diyos ko po, para tayong artista na talaga lahat.
It's like we're watching a movie right now. Every move is intentional. Every move is impactful. Galan, there you have it. He's successful when he's doing this But the moment Angelo Reyes closes the distance, para siyang nagiging he's being sucked into that vortex na ang hirap labasan.
Alam mo, pag si Coach Dino, yun ang sasabihin ni Coach Dino sa'yo. Pumasok ka, sumuntok ka.
Yes.
Yan ang mga wording. Sige, pasok. Gano'n.
Tama naman kasi at a certain distance, itong si Galan, it will be one-way traffic pag pag outside fight So itong si Angelo has to really close the distance, keep it at close range. Tama, Sir Eds, medyo mahirap ito. Pareho silang nakakatama ng maganda dito.
Tsaka partner, mapunta lang ako sa July 23, nandyan kami sa Cebu for a WBF Silver Featherweight title fight between a fighting policeman partner ng Toledo City, Cebu. He will be fighting Chesray Walminal, the former WBA Asia Pacific. Sila ay maglalaban for sa vacant WBF Silver Featherweight title. Ang gandang catchphrase, ang gandang story kasi pulis yun sa umaga, yun ang main job niya. Sa gabi, sa hapon, he is a professional boxer. And ito yung
he makes it possible, that kind of parang dual life na you have a day job and then you're also successful as a professional boxer. It's tough to be able to do that.
Tsaka partner, yung Carlo Bacaro. Who's
Yeah.
a welterweight, will be
Brown
fighting
sugar.
will be fighting a Japanese, Chinese fighter, Chinese fighter doon sa fight card na yon. At saka yung Orlando Senok Jr. against Eugene Noynay of Bogo, Cebu. Yung tatlong laban na yun ay yung co-main event na handog sa inyo ng Toledo City, Cebu in cooperation with Big Yellow Boxing promotion ni Sir Seth Tio.
Yes, so abangan ninyo yan, ano? Here we go, round 3. You're watching Angelo Reyes versus Anthony Galan. You know what? Sabi ni Gears Ventures, the brilliance of pulling off your own boxing style makes the fight beautiful. Exactly right. Ano?
Paki-translate mo.
Yun na nga,
Translate
sinabi
mo.
rin ni Sir Eds Bao, yung galawan ni Anthony Galan is outside, he's an outside fighter. He likes long-range punching. While Angelo Reyes is an inside fighter. He wants close-range fights. He thrives with using short-range punches like hooks and uppercuts. While itong si Galan shines on the outside, ano?
Tsaka partner, very underrated yung depensa nung Galan, partner, ha? Marami bumato yung Angelo Reyes, pero naiiwasan nung Galan.
Right. Gerald Tomeldan, Referee Gerald, kamusta ka po dyan sa Taiwan? I hope you're having a great time. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagbati. You are watching Bakbakan sa Elorde.
Pare, hintayin ko yung pasalubong ko, ha?
Yun naman. Watching P Omega Chapter Alpha Caparo Ombong Alegria Surigao del Norte Mindanao. Hello po sa inyo. Rayaj Humalon.
Sarap rin balik-balikan ng Taiwan, partner.
Of course.
Ang ganda. Cause mama, sabi ko lang, mixed culture kasi, partner, eh. Meron silang city na makakapag-enjoy ka ng shopping bago. Meron din sila yung mga nature,
Yes,
mga natural
rural.
synergy nila. Magaganda.
Tama ka dyan, partner. Oops, that was a good uppercut. Galana just threw it out there while Angelo was coming in. Angelo was able to go up top with that hook.
Iba talaga yung galawan ni Referee Bio, no? Hindi nagbabago.
Subtle but very attentive partner, no? Parang ano bang tawag dyan?
Parang-
Hawk-like, no?
Parang yung silk, yung ano ng silk, parang ganun.
Tama.
Oh.
Smooth. Shout out Lana Odala. And Aprilis Ain't Dump watching from Palawan. Buela Nino watching from Canada. Alam mo, the key here, partner, is actually the mental fortitude to stick to your style.
Yes,
to
definitely.
stick to what works. Kasi the moment you engage in the opponent's game, dun ka, you're gonna be caught.
So far, who is winning the style-wise? Kung sino ang magdadala ng style would
Tama.
probably have the edge on winning the fight. So,
You're right. Because they're both tough, eh, no?
yeah, so Angelo Reyes must bulldorize his way, come inside, throw a lot of punches, and try to probably nail some body punches for
Neil.
yes, si Galan naman, he must fight
Sorry,
outside.
sino si Neil? Anthony pala. Anthony
Teka,
Galan.
sino si Neil?
Si Neil?
Hindi,
Ewan.
kanina si
Si
Neil.
Neil Patrick. Si
Kanina.
Anthony Galan. And for Galan naman, he should be able to use his legs to create distance, create angles, keep it an outside fight, use long-range punching, and make Angelo Reyes miss.
Partner, batiin natin yung promoter ng mga laban na to, Sir Gabriel Bebot Elorde, at saka syempre nandito rin si Ma'am Kugoy Elorde na may
Yes.
dalawang fighter na lumaban, yung kanina nanalo and saka yung isa yung sa main event.
Oo, partner. Ang main event natin, Mark Tangan of Elorde Fight Team versus Richard Marino ng King of Pound.
Suki na rin yung King of Pound dito sa Elorde, partner.
oo.
Ano?
Alam mo kung bakit? Matapang, magaling, game. Yun ang importante, no? Up for a challenge. Shout out kay Coach Rex Xiao, nanonood sa atin. Good luck sa kanyang kapatid na si Christian Legani na lalaban bukas.
Alam ko may isa pang Pilipino lalaban dyan eh. Sa Kyrgyzstan, alam ko.
Hindi ko lang din. It's on the tip, at the tip of my tongue, but I can't... hindi ko mahukay sa aking isipan ngayon.
Kung ako'y bata-bata pa, naalala ko yan.
Oh. Ang sabi ni Gears Ventures, he says that Galan is, for him, Galan is slightly ahead. Yun nga, it's really tough because it's a very competitive fight. For some of our viewers, you can also comment what you think of the fight, how you think this fight is going. That was a good hook landed by Angelo Reyes.
Alam mo, yung isang nakikita ko, maybe Galan produces more cleaner shots.
Right.
So yun ang nakikita ng mga ibang audience na mas malinis ang patama ng Galan. But that necessarily means he winning the fight.
Exactly,
Diba?
no?
Depende sa judges yan.
Oo. Kasi may iba naman. Oh, there you have it. A right hand landed for Angelo Reyes. Galan was able to land a hook and an uppercut at long range. And it's important to use that jab to gauge that distance where he can land and get out of harm's way.
Merong minsan kaming pag-uusap ng mga kaibigan namin sa mga mahihilig sa boxing. Sabi nila pag later on daw sa mga laban, pag yung ikaw yung umaatras, medyo may negative side daw. Yun ay usap-usapan lang sa amin.
Yeah,
Diba?
because certain judges might see that as, kumbaga, the boxer goes forward is leading the fight or dinadala yung fight. So if you're a boxer who fights on the back foot, unless you're super dominant, it can look to the eyes of the judges as if you're backing out or as if you don't want to engage. Sabi ni Daniel Nicolas, si Galas daw ang panalo dyan. Shout out sa iyo dyan sa Elorde, Ilocos.
Kilala pa kaya ako ni Daniel?
Oo naman, ang laki na ng katawan niyang partner, bodybuilder na yan.
We've been in good memories with Daniel Nicolas dun sa career niya as a boxer. One of the matches na napanood ko na talagang napakaganda, yung kalaban niya si Justin Tesorio.
Yes.
Talagang bakbakan until the end, until the final bell. Napakagandang laban na yon. So, one of the great fights that we cover doon sa as a tandem namin as Recalby Nation. Alam mo, isa sa mga ng Recalby Nation, hindi natin nabibila kung ilang taon na tayo alam ko nagsimula tayo sa Ilocos. So, aanuhin ko yan. Kung ilang taon na tayo nag-komentary.
During the pandemic, I think, Shout out kay Clarence Soroan. Kamusta ka na? Kailan ang susunod na laban mo? Inaabangan namin yan.
Oh, wow. Great punch by Angelo Reyes. Parang lumaban na ng sabayan yung Galan, partner.
Oo. Angelo Reyes explodes in 3s, 4s. He's really a volume puncher,
Hopefully, partner, maalis tayo sa boxing. Hopefully, humina yung bagyo. I think nasa Northern Luzon ang area ng bagyo. Hopefully, ang Visayas yata nagkakaroon ng konting flooding. Hopefully, makalabas yung bagyo sa atin na walang mangyaring sakuna sa Pilipinas.
Yes, so we wish you all to be safe and dry. As we all watch the live here, sana nag-enjoy kayong lahat. This is turning out to be a very exciting fight. Nasusubok ang tibay nitong dalawa. Right now, they really do not want to move away from each other. They're maintaining that distance. They're trying to be... Ito na yung 4th round so they really want to leave. Fifth round, sorry. So we're on the penultimate round of this fight.
Can you explain what do you mean by penultimate?
Penultimate is yan ay second to the last round
definitely.
na napaka-importante, partner.
Mga veteranong commentator lang ang nakakaalam niya, katulad ni
Natutunan ko yata sa'yo yan.
Ma'am Rica Aquino.
I mean, how tough are these two guys? They've absorbed some of the each other's hardest punches in this fight. And no one has fallen down the canvas, partner. No, they're both standing.
Wow, nice combination by Angelo Reyes that seemingly stunned Anthony Galan. Nice
It's the
body
volume
work.
of the punches, partner, no? Angelo Reyes is just relentless. He stays in front of you and he just continues to punch.
Mauubusan ka talaga pagkalaban mo talaga tong Angelo Reyes because he's tough as a nail.
Si Sir Eds Bao is really enjoying this fight. He says that yun nga, veterano ang galawan nitong dalawang to. They're able to deliver when alam mo, it's the ability to deliver kahit na even when you're parang being bombarded with shots, you should be able to decide. It's a split-second decision, partner, how you respond to being hit. Yun ang nakikita natin ngayon, itong adjustment nitong dalawang to.
Parang hit and to be hit, no? Parang
Yes.
ganon. Round number 6, the final round of this classic encounter between Angelo Reyes of Olivetti Boxing Gym in Laguna against Anthony Galan of Elorde St. Rita Village in Parañaque.
Round 6, last round.
Pwedeng even Steven ang laban na to. Pwedeng maybe round number 6 could be the decider. We'll see who will be the victor of this great classic matchup.
And just like that, bilang veterano, partner, sabi nga ni Eds Bao, they know the 6th round is the most crucial round. Galan is engaging. He's trying to fight close range. Countering, trying to throw that jab, It seems as if the tables have turned. Ito namang si Galan ngayon nasa front foot. He leads Angelo Reyes towards the ropes.
Parang nanibago yung Angelo Reyes na siya naman ang pinapasok.
Right. You're absolutely right, There you have it. Galan seems to have turned the tables around, becomes the aggressor in this round. Angelo Reyes reverts to being the counter puncher.
So far, Anthony Galan is having an advantage of this first half of round number 1.
Our crowd is going wild, partner, Reyes goes to the body. Oh, good counter by Reyes. Galan is stunned for a bit, but he's able to recover. Goes to the body. Angelo Reyes, a beautiful combination that ends with a left hook.
A minute left on this final round.
Wow, Galan using those long-range punches. Yun eh. He has to maintain that. Angelo Reyes chops the head of Anthony Galan with that downward hook. Galan goes to the body with Wow, I'm lost for words. Ano? I'm trying to do a play-by-play, but the exchanges are so fast.
30 seconds left of this fight. Who will be the victor of this fight?
Final 10 seconds, partner.
A chopping body combination by Angelo Reyes. Wow.
Angelo Reyes lets it go in the final seconds of this round. Oh, wow. Should I say